CNBC gurus, Wall Street firms who promote its overweight versus RJTI charts. At 1:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, April 1st, 2026, we sent out to our followers, which was 6.5 hours before President Trump was to address the nation, our message: CNBC gurus, Wall Street firms who promote its overweight versus RJTI charts. Fundamentalists should shut up unless they can say they forecast this like we did to come. We did a search asking whether any major firms forecast or told to buy crude oil between $58 to $65, looking for a target of $90 to $150 per barrel. AI brought back overview based on market data for early 2026. No major investment firm or widely followed analysts predicted a $58 to $65 per barrel entry point with a $90 to $150 target exactly 24 days before February 4th, 2026. RJTI charts forecast this correctly. On February the 4th, 2026, we sent out RJTI charts versus SX90 Energy Index versus hit our target. We brought up the idea, but crude oil hasn't moved that much, and as of this message, trade level is under $65 per 100 barrels, which would be per barrels. Is there something lying underneath that is to spark crude oil to $90 to $150? We believe, based on our algorithms, higher crude oil trade levels are coming, and we are also going to upgrade our price target for the energy index from 3,500 upper range to 3,500 to 3,940. In our strongest opinion or theory, based from our algorithms, we feel that most got it wrong and are seeing things in error. We really want to say they just don't know what they just don't know what they are talking about, like Joe Terranova or others who think it's over with for the downside for equities. It's simple. 90 days from now is the only thing that matters. End date July 31st, 2026 should be marked on your calendar. A. If crude oil is trading at $100 to $105 or above it by July the 31st, 2026, then the equities will have a second wave down. Or B. If the USA or Israel completely retreats from any type of military actions for the time period between May to July 8, 2026, then there will be a massive rally that will produce the DJ30 trading toward 52,000 to 54,000. On the other hand, if A occurs, then the SP 500, DJ30, NASDAQ 100 will retest 4/11/2025 low. As you can see on this chart, July 31st, 2026. When you look at the color lines, you see those lines are 52,000 and 54,000. We go to the bottom here, you see that the yellow line is 35,514.57, red line 36,611, and the blue line 38,313.15. The only thing that matters is either A or B. Nothing else matters. It is easy to see the trees that make up the forest, and it's even easier to see the forest that's made up of trees. But it's not so easy to see behind the forest. Get your ammo today, RJTICHARTS.com, driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trading systems.